Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. As you can see, I still have these orange croc nails on, so I thought I'll do a video of getting rid of them, changing them up. So let's get into it. This is the bit I'm going to be using today, guys. It's a coarse 5-in-1 drill bit for the nail drill, for those of you that don't know that. You can find this on AliExpress. I used the fine cone bit in my last video, so today you're going to be seeing the coarse one at its best. It works amazingly, guys. As you can see, it is literally going for it. And if any of you ladies watched the last video, you know that I didn't sculpt these nails on. I just kind of done the builder gel technique with the full nail. So I was nervous that I might file too far, and I kind of did. On two of the nails, I filed the edges a bit too much. I definitely then had to turn it down because this was at 11,000 RPM, and I usually use it at that speed when I'm taking off some nail gel or whatever it is, but I don't know what it was. I think it's the bit, and it was kind of freaking me out at the same time, like the way it was actually filing. Like, I'd be seeing these things on Instagram where they like do one swoop and the whole color's gone, but when you're actually using it, it's kind of nerve-wracking. Okay, so I clipped myself once or twice, but it was okay, guys. I'm getting there. Okay. Okay, so honestly, guys, that took all of no time. So I don't know, it saves me having to sculpt a whole nail, although I do love my like clear acrylic with the glitters and stuff like that. So this is just another thing that I could, keep in mind for the future, or if I just want to show you really cute designs over the top and like pop them on Instagram or TikTok or something like that. I have been slacking on my TikTok for a couple of weeks now. I need to jump back on there because TikTok is actually jumping. Okay, TikTok is live, so gotta hop back on. After taking off all of the color, I just go in with a light prep. So what I did first was file down the edges and the nail tips, and then I go in and just sort out my cuticles because they were looking a bit torn. That was my baby girl. She loves it when I'm at the table. Honestly, it's so hard to like do my nails when she's awake because she's like, ooh, mummy's up there again. Like, this must mean that I'm allowed. But no, bless her, it's okay. I gotta be doing baby girl's nails every now and then just to satisfy her needs. She walk around the house showing everyone her nails, like stunning. It's too cute. She's like a proper mini me. I love it. But yes, guys, obviously you gotta go in with your base coat. At this point, I kind of didn't really know what I was going to do. Oh no, yes, sorry, my bad. No, I did actually. What I'm going to do is going with some builder gel, okay? Because the nail was quite thin after filing the gel off, I thought, got to get the builder gel out. And this stuff is so amazing, guys. I first had like a little normal pot of it, this one, and then I ended up getting a larger container. Okay, let me just show you this. So all you do is just kind of dab it. You don't want to smear it on like nail varnish or nail gels, whatever it is that you have, but yes, you kind of just want to have a thick layer of it. When I'm trying to describe builder gel to other people, I kind of say it's just like a liquid acrylic. And as you can see, it just thickens the nail and it makes it awesome, okay? Cure it as you go, obviously, because it is runny and you don't want to wait until, you've done all 5 fingers before putting it in the cure, because there will be drips, okay? There will be drips, blobs cured. So obviously make sure you clean the edges so nothing is curing onto your nails. But honestly, this builder gel, oh my gosh, after I put this on, saved, okay? It was looking A1. And before you say it, okay, because I know you by now, okay? I know that the underneath of my nails look crazy, and that looks like that because I put too much builder gel on when I'm doing the full cover tips. If you have no idea what I'm talking about right now, you need to watch my previous video. I'm gonna pop it up here. Boop. Yes, So if you watch that, you'll see what I mean. But when I'm putting too much builder gel, guys, and then I'm curing it, it kind of stays under there. And yes, I can file it down. Right now, guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you, like, it's okay, it's my YouTube, it's my playground. I could not be bothered right now. I'm trying to perfect one thing at a time, okay? No, but it's true, I'm being lazy. Next time I will file underneath, because I actually ended up taking off this design that I do today because I was going out and I wanted to have like fresh nails, and you know, I had like a jelly design on and was really hating the fact that I didn't file underneath, but I was in a rush, so I thought, yeah, next time it has to be done. So yes, guys, back to the nails. All I'm doing now is just cleaning up the builder gel. Once everything is cured, it's almost back to like a rough state, so you just want to get your shape back on point. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. I first went in with the hand file, and then I go in with this just normal barrel ceramic bit, and it does the job. Ladies, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and leave me a comment, okay? Let me know who you are, where you're from, what kind of nail videos you like. Actually, guys, even if you're like a goodie and an oldie, let me know what kind of videos you like, because honestly, I think I just be making this stuff. Guys, I'm forever, oh my gosh, I need to like correct my wording in my mental, okay? I don't know where these things come from. I actually feel like I make things up on the week of the design, so please, and I'm always trying to think of something like random that I haven't tried. I'm kind of just experimenting and having fun. So if you guys like specific videos, let me know, because maybe that'll give me like more ideas and stuff. But for now, I'm kind of just winging it, and just, you're basically watching me experiment, figuring this stuff out, basically, is what's happening. Okay, so yes, if you're new, definitely check out my giveaway video, is what I originally wanted to say. I'm doing a giveaway. It's got about 2 weeks left, so yes, I got 5 winners to name. Guys, I'm sorry, half the time I have no idea like what's about to come out, okay, of my mouth. Okay, ladies, we have reached the fun part of the video, making the nails actually look sweet. I go in with a pink. I saw this kind of design on Pinterest, and I was like, I'm gonna try that and see if it comes out the way it looks on there. Okay, so it was like a marble design with some gold leaf, but it was using clear foil. I go in with a base coat of this pink, and I thought this pink was just perfect. And then I actually ended up doing 2 layers of this, because 2 or 3, could have been 3, okay, but I done a couple of layers of this because it was just looking too thin to me. On the video, it doesn't look that thin actually, but because I was able to like see a lot of light coming through, I thought, no, I'm gonna do a few layers. So then I go in with a deeper pink, and this pink was just hitting. It was super cute, okay? And in order for the marble to really sink in, I go in with the top coat, and I thought I'll use Kiara Sky. Thinking about it now, I probably should have used like a off-brand top coat and saved my Kiara Sky. Okay, but I didn't. So yeah, it is what it is. So at first, I go in with the fuchsia. I thought that would be, you know, all it would need, and then I go in with my cling film. Just mix it around a little bit, you know, make sure you're blobbing it all in the right areas. You can kind of see what's happening under there, and then swoosh, take it off in one go, don't hesitate. And it wasn't really giving me enough depth, so I thought I'm just gonna add some white in there. And yes, that is my big head. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know if I had the camera so up high, because I then ended up having to zoom in, and I can see my head this week. So I must have had the camera way too high. And yeah, every now and then you might see my head pop up. So I apologize now, because it does come up, okay? But yes, back to the nails. Oh, adding gold leaf really done it for me. Sorry guys. But yes, no, was my little headpiece was looking so sweet though, isn't it, with my little locks just swaying. But yes guys, after I'd done the pinky, I got into it. Then I just do the same thing on all the nails. The first two nails I kind of just smeared the colour all over the place, and the next two nails I thought, let me try and get a bit more of a design out of it, right? So with the middle nail I kind of done a slanted design, and then with my pointer finger or my index finger I done the swoop on the other side. I know guys, who cares, right? Who even cares about what I'm saying? But I care, okay? I care. No, let me not even go down the Beyonce route right now, because some of you lot are probably looking at the screen like, real issues, okay? Real issues over here. But we love it. And I love you. Okay, no, but guys, as you can see on this nail, I kind of keep it on one edge of the finger of the nail, and it actually came out looking so cute. I wish I thought about the design of it more, and you know, if I'd done them all slanted, oh my gosh, maybe that would have been really cute. Oh, would have been really cute. And then I would have had space at the bottom to do some gemming, but I didn't think about that. Next time. Okay, don't judge me. I can see my locks. It's okay guys, okay? Don't judge me. I don't judge you. On the pointer finger, I then slant on the bottom right instead of the top left, as opposed to the middle finger. And yes guys, I was loving it. I done the full cover colors on the thumb, and honestly that's just it. It didn't take me no time to do these nails. It definitely takes me longer to edit this video than do the nails. So again, if you haven't and you do love these videos and my crazy self, girl, you know you love my crazy self. No, but if you do, hit that subscribe button guys, leave me a comment, let me know who you are. If you like, tag your Instagram, guys, I follow you and stuff like that. I've hit 500 subscribers recently, and it's actually going a lot faster now than it was before, so that's kind of scary, but it's exciting as well. Next week I'm going to try and do another sponsored video for Savvyland. They have sent me another package which I'm excited to go through. They kind of look a bit, you know, autumny kind of vibes. There's some really deep reds and oranges and golds in there, so I think I'm going to try and do something with polygel. I have missed my polygel. I have been working with builder gel and acrylic recently, but yes, polygel coming right back at you. And yes guys, obviously we finish off with some lily cuticle oil, girl. Make it look nice, make the hand smell beautiful. Guys, this cuticle oil smells of pineapple. Oh, so beautiful. So yes guys, this is what the nails came out looking like. I'm sorry I didn't record this with brighter lighting. I don't know why I didn't notice it at the time, but yes, these pictures are all going to be on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.